and do everything. Come.
Okay.
Do it. It. Okay. Are you gonna open one out there? What did we get? What did we get? Where are we gonna put the?
We have this from Ate Pati's birthday.
Ate Tiffany wants to have a toy review on her own.
Yeah.
So this is her moment.
Yeah, let's open now.
No, let Ate Pati talk and do everything.
Talk.
Come.
Okay, so what is that, Buddy?
We have this.
So what do you have in there?
We have beautiful
You
pizza.
showed the camera.
I have
So we have, what is this called? Hairdorables. So there's 36 dolls to collect. So we bought this at Big W. Yeah, we're having dinner, pizza.
What are you doing?
Very, very healthy. Come on, open up. Come on, let's go. Careful. Shirley, you let ate, Tiffany do it. So what do we have for number one? Let Ate do it. Sorry, what we got? We got a brush and stickers. Ate, let Shirley open one. She wants to open one. And what do we have next? Let me see. Okay. Are you gonna open one out there? Okay. You can open number 3. It's Ate.
Oh, drinks again. Drinks, get away! I'm making a toy review.
Drinks got to bed.
Oh, I have a boy with a hairstyle.
Oh, nice.
She's just gonna watch. That's a long one. Big one.
Number 4 is a big one.
No, I can do it. There is. We have a bag.
A bag. Let me see.
And some more stickers.
Oh, stickers.
And you have to open this.
What doll do we have? Oh, that's the biggest one.
Hey, stop it, stop it. We are so crazy. I was trying to. Hey, I can. Scissors.
No, we don't need
There's
scissors.
hair on here. Yeah. There's hair.
Okay, what do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Look at that.
It's so.
So what's her name? Look at the back.
No. That's. No.
Oh, okay.
This is what. I want to read the name. Where's the hot potato?
What's her name?
I think we have Bella.
Bella.
No. We have no Bella.
The one with the blonde hair. Let me see.
This Bella. Bella Burns.
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, how did you guess?
It looks like Bella.
Okay.
Okay. Let's put it on the and there is two more toys over there.
Okay, you got one more toy? Okay, yeah, we'll do. Okay, clean the rubbish first. And where are we going to put the rubbish?
In the bin.
Okay, we'll post this.
Yes. And
Okay, so Shirley, what did you get?
Noah.
Noah, let me see yours. So that's yours.
Yeah. And this is mine.
Bella. Yeah.
You can make it.
Monster. A monster. What about you? Where's your toy? You got the Hot Wheels one over there. Codes again. We're back. So what are we opening again? Wait. Which one? This one is a Barbie with 10 stickers included. Yeah.
You open the other side. Oh no, we need scissors. Yeah, time for scissor time.
Just careful, so you might break things.
Yeah.
You might hurt your finger. There we go.
Let's do the accessory first because. Oh no, it's done. Get the full bungee. I got the backpack out.
Nice.
I got the headphones out.
The headphones. Nice. What are you doing, James? Dancing?
I have the sticky mask.
Nice.
Oh my god. And this bottle. I'm gonna get the camera.
What a nice.
No, I'm gonna get the first. And here's Barbie.
It's a phone. Nice.
I'm trying to get out stuff. Oh, here's the camera. No, there's tape on it. Then I got the toothbrush. I got
The toothbrush. And you got the what? The camera and
first
a.
the camera.
Okay.
And one more item.
A toothpaste.
Yes. Now we need scissors. I found scissors. Oh, there's a sticky mark. Why is this not working? Okay, I'm gonna.
There's no battery, so yeah. Okay. There's chicken tips dun sa ano.
Oh, yeah. There's a cardboard. There's a cardboard.
It's cardboard with stickers. Careful. Let Ate do it.
Oh no, it's the hard part.
Do you need help?
I think I would cut her hair. The last bit is too hard. I'm gonna wear the pliers.
Like I said, it's wet. It got wet in
Oh,
there.
puppy is stuck. Puppy is stuck. Yeah.
Bobby's struggling the puppy.
Oh no. I'm gonna show you. I'll show you Barbie. Oh no. I need to take a photo.
Oh, careful.
The potty. The potty.
Yes. What are you doing? Yes, ma'am. Ay, photo, ma'am.
Then I'll put everything in.
What do you mean, Daddy?
I'm not saying that.
Okay,
Daddy,
whatever.
I wish I had this.
Why? It's okay. No, it's nothing but it's time to shine. You got this, oh. It's a very expensive one.
Mine.
Yeah, the shoes. That's your car.
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. See you next time. And subscribe.
So yeah, say bye.
Bye. See you Remember this car.
Remember this car. Yes.
This
It's still in the toy review. Okay, we'll post it down.
Bye.